Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. I've not been posting. I am so sorry. It's due to our relocation, and this relocation has cost me a lot because even my channel at the moment is demonetized because I've not been posting for a while, and this is due to my relocation, planning to relocate and all. It really took a lot out of me, but right now I'm back, and I hope I'm able to continue to serve you guys better. So today I'm going to be showing you how to cut and sew this top that you're seeing on the screen. And if this is what you want to watch, this is what you want to learn, please stay with me. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment. Tell me what other videos you would love to see on this channel. So let's get into it. So guys, this is the material that we're going to be using, and it's Duchess. So I just have 20 inches in total. That's 40, like 40 inches. That's what I have here. So now you're going to measure 20 now from the edge and fold it into 2, just like so. After you fold it into 2, then you bend it over. When you bend it, you are looking for 24. When I measure it, you understand. At this point, I measured to check if it's up to 24, but it wasn't, so I had to shift it again. Please note that this material is just used for the tutorial. It's not for anybody, so it might not be equal, it might not be as I want, but just follow how I'm going to do it and just follow the measurement on your own. So it's not up to 24, so I had to shift it so that it will be up to. Then after you shift it, you measure now. So when you measure it, it will be 24. Just like that, just measure from there. Then you have 24. Then you cut the excess out. Then after cutting the excess, you now fold it in a longer way. Just the way I did it now. Edge is now at the side now. You see. The edge is now at the side now. Because I want it to be longer in length. So you see now, the edge is now at the side now. You will see where the edge is now. I will show you properly so that you can see it. The edge that was once straight, look at, is now at this down part where my hand is. So just for you to fold it, refold it so that it will be long. So you see my own, it's actually a pieces, so it's not equal. So I'm going to trim it to be equal, but your own will obviously be equal because you're using a correct material. These are just the pieces I have in the shop. So I just want to trim this out. But for your own, please, you will not trim anything out so you can get the accurate measurements. So now I'm going to be cutting the neck parts, what I will use for the collar. Just watch and you will definitely understand the way I am doing it. Just fold this one. This was the one I cut away, the excess I cut away. So I just measured 16 inches here and I cut it out. Just measure 16 inches and cut it out. Then the wideness, you can use 3 inches or 2.5. But here it's not up to 3. So it's 2.5 I used here, 2.5. So 16 inches long, 2.5 as the width. Then I'm just using it to measure my neck if it's fine. So this one I'm using it to cut rope. Just watch, you learn. So this one I'm going to put ST. Please ST, the thicker one, just like the one you're seeing. I'm going to put it so that it will be stronger. Because if I do it like this, it will not be strong. So you just put it on top and cut it out. Then you know what to do. You iron it. Iron this thing at the wrong side of the fabric. So this is the rope. So I'm just going to go and fold this rope. I will sew it, then bring it out. You see the rope, I'm done sewing it. I've brought it out. This is what I have. Then this one, I've ironed it. Then I fold the edge of it, the two edge. I've folded it. So now I'll just do it like this and sew it. But before I sew it, I'm going to be putting this rope there. So you just fold it. Then we want to make a loophole. So you fold it, cut it. You notch the middle, so you know where the middle starts. Then you place it like that. You place the second one too like that. Then you cover it up. You cover it up and go and sew it straight and sew the other side straight. So I'm done sewing the two sides straight now. This is what we have. So you bring it out and iron it. I might not iron this thing because it's a tutorial and I want it to be fast. But please iron it properly so that it will come out nice. So this is the neck we have now already. So this is the one that we cut already. The one that we cut the main body. So this is the side. You see this side I'm holding is the side. You see where these fabrics are flying over is the side. This is the other side too. So now I'm just going to arrange it properly and sew the side. But you see when I'm coming to the down part, when I'm getting to the down part, I'll fix this rope on it. Fix this rope. But the rope will be inside. I'll fix the rope on it. I want to sew the two sides, but I'll fix the rope on it. When I'm done sewing it now, you'll see what I mean. See, I'm done sewing it now. This is what I mean. I was sewing it, but I put the rope at the downside, the last part. But I left small allowance to be able to sew it down too, if I want to. So now I put the rope inside. Then I sew it down straight. I sew it straight. But I leave small space to bring it out, because I need to bring it out. So I am done sewing it. Then I'm going to use that small space that I left. That small space. Then I'm going to use it to bring it out. Bring it out very well and iron it. You're supposed to iron it, but for the sake of this video, I'm not going to iron it. But please do iron it properly so that every seam will come out. And in that place that is open, you put hemming gum to bring it down so that it will not be opened like that, okay? You take your time to bring it out properly and iron it at this point. So now we want to do the neck now. So that collar that you have already done, you are going to bring it now, fold it into two. I just want to use it to check the neck first before I put it. So you're going to take that neck, fold it into two, and mark the center. Mark 1 inch from the beginning. 1 inch from the beginning. 1 inch from the beginning. Then that 1 inch is where I'm going to start sewing from. But after that 1 inch, I'll measure 3 inches. 3 inches. From that 1 inch, I measure 3 inches. 3 or 4. You can measure 3 or 4. But for the sake of this tutorial, I used 4. So I think 4 will be perfect. Or 3. You can check it out yourself and you will see. 3 inches or 4 is fine. So then you place it. Make sure you start it. You place that material inside of the band. That's why I folded the edge so that it will be neat. You place it inside of the band and you sew it straight. So this is it now. So it's only that 3 inches side that I sew. 3 inches side that I sew. Then the rest, I just sew it straight down. And we are done with this top. Very easy. This step is very simple and straightforward. And this is what we have. Very beautiful. I did not iron it, but iron your own. Thank you. See you next time.